Hi guys, black box with a red stripe. AMD Radeon RX 5700, that is Sans XT model, the slightly lower tier. Let's see what's inside. And inside is a leaflet, warranty card, ooh, hope you see it well. It's a nice card. There is nothing more in there. Red on grey, it has more typical shroud than its bigger brother, which has a dent here and grooves, but I think it is still aluminum shroud, no backplate. Six-pin and 8-pin power connector. It has 3 display ports and a single HDMI. That's it. We will see how it performs later.